Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to unmute emails in Gmail. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So here you can see that this is my email, and for example that I've selected some of the mails and I want to mute it, right? So I will just click on mute, and as you can see here 50 emails has been muted. So where you can find them, I will just click on three horizontal lines, and here you will find it under all mail section. So how you will identify which mail is muted or not, as you can see here that there is an option of muted. So this mail is muted here, as you can see here, this is muted, this is also muted. Now how to unmute it? You have to just click and hold, right? And this is the option of one marked as unread. Now click on the three dots and somewhere you will find the option of unmute. If you're not able to find it, no worries. So here you have to just open any of your muted emails. So this is here. Now if I just click on the three dots, as you can see here also I can't find it any unmute option. Well, you will able to find it if you have iOS version, but for this here, for example, this is my email. Now here if I just tap on muted, I have to select inbox and then I have to click on OK. Now it has got back into inbox. Now this email has been changed into muted to unmuted. So this is how you can just mute or unmute any of your emails. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.